A rustic French baguette with a Mediterranean twist. Just imagine the aroma of herbs, olives, and tangy semi-dried tomatoes. Every bite is packed with flavor, perfect for sharing. And the best part? No kneading needed. It's simple, effortless, and absolutely delicious. Let's start. Let's start by weighing our flour. I'm using 500 grams of bread flour. That's about 17.65 ounces. I prefer bread flour, but you can use what you have. Sift the flour and then add a mix of dried herbs. I'm using dried thyme, parsley, and rosemary. You can use any herbs from your pantry, either fresh or dried. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then the yeast. I'm using instant dry yeast, so no need to activate it first. If you're using active dry yeast, make sure to bloom it in lukewarm water before adding. Now pour in the water and mix all the ingredients. At the same time, add a little olive oil. It gives such a beautiful flavor. Mix until everything is well combined. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 1 hour to hydrate. After 1 hour, do 1 set of stretch and folds to strengthen the dough. Wet your hands first. It prevents sticking and makes handling easier. After resting, the dough should look bigger, smoother, and easier to handle with each stretch and fold. Gently grab one side of the dough, stretch it upward, and fold it over to the opposite side. Rotate the bowl 90 degrees and repeat. Once done, cover again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, cut some olives and semi-dried tomatoes. Now, add the olives and tomatoes on top of the dough and gently fold them in. Once everything is mixed, cover and leave for the last rest, 1 more hour. Dust some flour on your dough and work surface to prevent sticking. Then divide the dough into your preferred sizes. Gently shape each piece. You can also just cut the dough into rustic pieces with a dough scraper. By the way, this same dough can be used to make ciabatta or focaccia too. Place the shaped pieces on baking paper and let them rest for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Bake for around 20 minutes, but keep an eye on them, as timing may vary depending on size. If you can, add steam. That gives the baguettes a crisp, shiny crust. But don't worry, they'll still turn out great without it. And there you have it. Delicious olive and semi-dried tomato baguettes, full of flavor and impossible to resist. Everyone will love this bread. So, how was the recipe? Did you enjoy it? If yes, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy bread recipes. Until then, enjoy.